A blessed day to all of you, televiewers, my fellow believers, and my brothers and sisters in Christ. I'm here on behalf of the Catholic Church, and in particular, I'm here on behalf of Bishop Seku, who could not make it here today. What's the stand of the Catholic Church on this vaccination and vaccines? Let me start saying not what the Pope, who represents and heads the Catholic Church, what he is saying, but what he is doing about these vaccinations and vaccines. As soon as the vaccines were available in Rome and in the Vatican, the Pope, both of them, Pope Francis and our Pope Emeritus, Pope Benedict, saw to it that they got immediately the 2 doses of these anti-COVID vaccines, and they did get it. And a television, I think, captured that event while they were being vaccinated, showing to the world the right attitude towards life, towards these vaccines, that we all love life. And because we all love life, we are all out to protect, to preserve, to defend, to save this life. And that's what the message of our Pope Francis and Pope Benedict to the whole world. And in particular, before the start of our vaccines and vaccinations here in Curacao, Bishop Seku issued a statement regarding this matter, aware of the reluctance and the skepticism of people over these vaccines and vaccinations. And I quote, it was around February 5 or February 6 that we issued this statement. With gratitude to God, we welcome wholeheartedly the arrival of these vaccines against the COVID-19, a small vaccine, but a giant leap of hope for mankind. Romanang tuwak, nos attitude pa e-vaccine akin ng uno di gratitude. Tuwak tur kaminda ng nuting e-vaccine, nuting e-vacuna ainda. Specialmente ding pais ng pobre, the third world countries in Asia, Africa, Central America, Sur America. Wak, nos pais, nos pueblo ta hopi bendisyon na i-privilegya. I-bakuna aki ta Dios su contesta na nos orasyon na. Contesta na humanidad kuta sufriendo tanto de pandemia aki. Tapi si nos llama Dios tanki ku akin nang nakursaw i otro isla nang nosing vaccines aki available na all of us do de goodwill y generosidad di pueblo di Holanda. So I'm not here to impose, but to propose, my dear people of God, take this vaccine, save and protect your life, and save and protect the lives of our community.